In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your VidIQ plan from a monthly subscription to an annual one. If you're looking to make this change, maybe to save some money in the long run or to simplify your billing, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and get started with the process. First, you'll need to head over to the VidIQ website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the VidIQ URL, or simply searching for VidIQ on a search engine of your choice. Once you're on the website, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, take your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This is your gateway to all the account settings you need. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will open up a menu with several options related to your account management. From this menu, look for the option labeled Plans. Clicking on Plans will lead you to the section where you can manage all aspects of your subscription. This is where you can view your current plan details and make any necessary changes. Once you're in the Plans section, you should see an option to switch your subscription from a monthly to an annual plan. This option is typically highlighted, making it easy to find. Click on it and you'll be guided through the process of finalizing this change. Now, something to keep in mind. Switching to an annual plan usually comes with a discount compared to paying month to month. It's a great way to save some money if you're planning to use VidIQ for the long term. Plus, it simplifies your billing to just once a year rather than 12 times. Make sure to review the details carefully before confirming the switch. You'll want to double-check the billing information and the total cost to ensure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm the switch. After confirming, you should receive a confirmation email from VidIQ. This email will have all the details of your new annual plan, including the next billing date and any other relevant information. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your VidIQ plan from monthly to annual. If you encounter any issues during this process, VidIQ's support team is always there to help. Just reach out to them through their support page. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made your transition smooth and easy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.